Anjo Ramen. Ilang years later, same standard kaya? This place has been around since the mid-2000s and naging staple talaga siya here in Masangkay area. Known for their hand-pulled noodles na ginagawa fresh, kita mo talaga yung stretch and pull, walang shortcut. Naabutan ko pa to na may Chinese chef talaga na gumagawa ng noodles mismo, hand-pulled right in front of you, as in stretch, slap, pull. After all these years, I'm curious if the quality stayed consistent. Kasi, let's be honest, longevity is one thing, consistency is another. Every table has all the condiments perfect for your noodles. Sweet chili sauce used to be on the table, now you just ask for it. Automatic na i-serve yung soy sauce with garlic kapag umorder ka ng dumplings. Used to be black vinegar and ginger by the way. And yes, that red sauce is my favorite. Don't forget to ask for the sweet chili. Perfect for their dumpling. Syempre they have their house tea. So this is their beef ramyun. I always get this. 320 hindi mo mauubos. You just split it into two, add 20 na lang. Only soup pa yan, just ask for it. Beef is tender, pero could be a bit more tender. Noodles same as before. Soup medyo bland na ngayon. If you've eaten here before, you'll get me. Syempre we order their dumplings. 7 pieces steamed for 180 pesos and 7 pieces fried for 200. If you want that extra texture, go for the fried. Pero if you want to cut the oil, go for the steamed. Same feeling naman sila anyway. Meat and chives. Simple feeling pero perfect. OMG, so good. To finish it off, Wang Lao Ji tayo. It's a Chinese herbal tea, lightly sweet, perfect to balance after all the noodles and dumpling. Here's their menu. Pause nyo na lang. So, that's my taste. Yours might say otherwise. Thanks for watching.